So that's right. So IDBI strategic sale that Deepam is working on, what the sources are telling us now, that the completion of this strategic sale may not be done in this current financial year. Though we know that Deepam has started work on the EOIs. In fact, they are at an advanced stage. What the sources are telling, the EOIs will be out in September itself. But after that also, they need to give a couple of months for the interested bidders and respond to their queries, which is time consuming. So they are expecting that the financial bids will be likely for IDBI Bank only by January, not before that. And so this is what the sources are confirming, that it is the processes, the genuine processes that are time taking for any strategic sale, including IDBI Bank. And this is why the completion of this particular transaction may not be seen in the current financial year. Though earlier also we had told you that finance ministry sources had told us that they'll not be going slow on IDBI Bank, but whether completion will happen in this year or not, that is unlikely. That is what the sources are confirming. Now your government, the center and LIC, both of which hold below 50% stake in the IDBI Bank. In fact, LIC holds more than the center. Both will be selling at least 51% stake in the IDBI Bank. What will be the exact quantum, that also will be decided. But RBI has also given a go ahead on the EOIs for IDBI Bank. The decks have been cleared. All the issues regarding the IDBI Bank have been sorted out through. So there is no stopping for IDBI strategic sale, and EOIs are definitely, what the sources are saying, will be in September, but the completion is unlikely to happen in this financial year.